Good afternoon, gentlemen. My name is Frank and I work with Service One Truck and Trailer Repair. This problem that we have today is in my own personal vehicle. I have a Dodge Charger 2011 and I was running to the store. The car was running perfectly fine. Never had a problem with it or nothing, right? So I go in, do what I gotta do. When I come back out, I jump in my car, try to start it, nothing. Nothing. It was just cranking over, cranking over, cranking over. You know, I'm a pretty good mechanic, so right away I did my troubleshooting, came out with the conclusion it was the fuel pump, because the fuel pump would have not, you couldn't hear it. So I went ahead, got the fuel pump replaced. Boom. Connect the battery, same problem, nothing. So I was stressed out because this is my only vehicle. So I went ahead. I'm gonna show you guys what I did. All right. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is the fuse box. The fuse box is in the front. So I took it all off. Took it apart. You know. This is what I found inside there. Right? Let me show you guys this. This little relay, you're not gonna believe it. That's the one. Okay? That's the problem. How do I know that? There's some numbers right on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Wait a second. Let's see how they do this. Well, there's some numbers right there. I typed them in Google, and they said this relay. Well, it didn't say this relay. It said something about the relay controls several things, such as fuel pump. Okay, cut right to the chase. I seen fuel pump, and a big ass smile came to me. So I diagnosed it, did a little testing on it, and that sucker don't work. So I went ahead to my local junkyard, and I got me the whole piece. Boom, real easy. Disconnect it, bam, same thing. We're gonna put it back on, and hopefully my theory comes through. All right, we'll be right back.